This isn't coffee. So here I am with my OM617 turbo diesel. I did the famous liquid moly diesel purge, and this is the result. Kind of dark, I would say. I used 2 bottles. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to let the purge stay in there for overnight and hit it again with 2 more cans and see if I can pull out some more dirt. Stay tuned. Normal color of the liquid moly diesel purge. Look how quick the dark diesel dirt coming out. Look how quick it's coming out after letting it sit for a couple days. Wow. 1 minute later, look how dark it got. Now, suffice it to say, you're gonna have to change this fuel filter. Look at this. 1 minute later, look how dark it got.